So we travel quite a bit, and it's a lot of fun. I love hanging out with our dealers, meeting our clients that are out there, working at trade shows, even doing some presenting to architects and engineering firms. But one of the things I love when I come back to Wisconsin is getting back to our corporate offices. Let's go check out what that looks like. So here we are, Britespan corporate offices. I'll just pan right back so that you guys can take a look at this. Really nice set of office buildings here that we house all of our inside sales and outside sales staff in. And one of the most important folks that we're going to meet is Ryan, who's our information trafficker. Let's go say hi to him. Hey, buddy, how's it going today?
Hey, George, it's going great.
Yeah, what's up today? What do you got going on? What do you do here at Britespan?
Well, I'm the inside sales coordinator. This right here is the center of gravity for all information trafficking.
Excellent.
I work to keep our dealers, our outside sales guys, and customer service and the corporate office all connected.
That's awesome. Keeping the wheels on the bus, aren't you?
Yes,
hey,
sir.
what do you got going on with these big crates over here?
Well, those are our trade show booths, and we're going to be packing them up and shipping them out to the next trade show to help us meet folks and sell some buildings.
Oh, I can't wait. Thank you, buddy. All right, let's go see Chris back here. This is one of our inside sales guys, Chris, one of my favorite buds. Hey, buddy, how's it going today?
Hey, George, what's up?
Oh, not too much. What you got going on?
Oh, a lot of stuff real busy this week. Got some good leads coming in, a lot of leads coming in. Kind of tough to keep up sometimes.
I
but
bet. I bet. That's awesome.
Yeah, definitely a great problem to have. Great
Excellent.
problem to have.
Placing some orders this week?
Oh, yeah, we got some good orders coming in.
You're the man, buddy. Keep up the great work. Thanks, Chris.
Back, George.
See ya.
Thank you.
This is Chris's hot sauce. We're not allowed to touch his hot sauce. That stays right down there. He even marks the levels on it to make sure nobody's using it. Ryan, should people at work here expect George to buy them lunch?
Oh, absolutely.
What? No, that's the wrong answer.
Who's your favorite person at the corporate office?
That is an incredibly loaded question. That could give me a lot of trouble.
Who's your favorite person at the corporate office?
It's got to be Melanie.
I am so telling Jen. I'm going to tell marketing you said that. I'm telling sales
This is why
support.
that's
I'm
why
telling
I-
John you said
I've
that.
been set
I'm
up.
telling
I've
everybody.
been set up.